song go? I don't really know, but I came with the gang. And if you get too close, I might snatch off your chain. You want me to be a little more ladylike? Come through with your... Wait, what? Where'd you go? Oh, they're getting... Oh, I got crows now. Hey, that's my gang. Stop fighting. Those little birds are my old grackles. Oh no, not my grackles. Hold on. Although I have one of the crows. Hey! Have some biscuits. Here's my grackles. Hi, grackles. Hi, little brave one. It's my brave one. I want a name for it. Let the other ones have the whatever's over there, French fries. The crows are being mean. Oh yeah, I remembered. You want me to be a little more ladylike? Come through with my girls and beat your ass on ladies' night. You don't want to go toe-to-toe with my pedicure. Everyone you know be like, bro, how you handle her? Ay. Yeah, the crows will take a whole fry. I got plenty of stuff out here for you guys, okay? Where's my little red winged? Oh, he's a baby. Oh, babies can feed themselves now. Oh, look, there's a baby. That's a baby. I'm looking with my eyes and not that, but that's a baby. Look at that. Oh, that baby even stole from the other one. Oh, damn. The baby's getting rowdy. I remember when they were begging Mama to feed them. We still got more. You guys over here. Yeah, come on. Come on. Hi, babies. Hi. I'll get you to land in my hand someday, because you're my babies. Okay, hold on. I got you. Here. Come on. Good job, babies. Look at all these guys. I love them so much. If you know me, I love dinosaurs, so calm down. If one flies, they all fly, so, you know, just their thing. But I love my dinos. It's okay. Look at all the babies. I don't know. I feel like I'm teaching them a bad thing because all the ones that left are babies, or all the ones that didn't leave are babies. So maybe I'm teaching them a bad thing. Oh, you greedy little guys! You greedy! Oh, they're scaring my birdies.